What about archiving folders? Well, we can delete folders and bring them back, but what about archiving projects? Yes, we can. And so with Vault Pro 2026, we can now come into our ADMS console and we can enable the archive function. Now, when you enable the archive function, you tell it the path where you want your archived files and folders to go. So the default file store for my Vault is the program data location, which is the default install for Vaults. So I have set my archive to go to my desktop. So now inside my Vault, if I decide there is a folder that I no longer need, or I want to archive this, just select one of these folders, right click, and now I can archive this. There is a new state that will be added to the content that is in here for my components, where once the server task catches up, the archive status will change to be archived, and once the task runs, it will state archived. And those files will show in there. If at some point we need to bring those folders back or that file back, we can right click on it and cancel the archive, and that brings it right back to us. As long as we're an admin, we have permissions to work on this. So once in my case, the job processor runs in the background, running the server task, it will go up to be archived, and then it will state as archived. And then if I want to bring it back, we just cancel the archive.